Hello, I'm Nate. Now I would like to show you some features of our smart fridge. It's energy control. This feature we are able to save some energy. Our back-end server collect energy. A machine. Now we can remotely turn off the LED lighting. Select off. Save. The light is off. Of course, we can also remote turn it on. Save. The light is back. You can also see the temperature remotely. Current temperature. You can see current temperature is 26 because we just turned on the machine. And we can set the temperature we want from here. For example, we want to set from the 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. the temperature to be 5. The setting and submit. You can also remotely turn the compressor off. Just click off. Compressor stop working. Also remotely turned the cooling system on. It will be working again. Selecting the electricity meter, we are able to see daily energy consumption. Use our smart fridge vending machine, save the energy. Thank you.